Despite it being a national park, it is free entrance, free parking, absolutely free to come here and enjoy it. And there's a lot more to see than just the sticky waterfall. There was quite a big temple. Looks like you go up a lot of steps. Didn't actually see the top, but I did see the bottom, and it looked pretty cool. And there's cold streams, and there are other things here. There's swimming spots as well. I just don't know where everything is. And we're arriving at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so we're definitely not going to explore it all. There's crystal clear water here with fishies. My camera is waterproof, so
this is where we belong.
on that sign it literally tells you there's 3 or 4 levels to this waterfall. Very beautiful. As you can tell, there are a lot of locals doing picnics. There's a little swimming spot at the top here for the kiddies. I think there are many people who never go all the way down. I definitely don't advise starting at the top and going down. That's just my personal fears. I'd rather start at the bottom and come up. Waterfall floor number 1. I definitely would rather start at the bottom. There are people like right there though. Beautiful, yeah. Smoking, someone's burning something over there, yeah.
Hectic. We've been blessed to not smell any smoke up till today.
Wow. It's really nice here. Quite a few steps, but worth a climb. Just stairs. Nothing too bad.
If you feel lonely, I will be here and wait for the sun. It's getting closer. I will never let us down.
But hectic to film yourself because you have to go up and down. You have to worry about your camera. Relatively safe, but it's quite heavy foot traffic here. So yeah. Smile! Moss and stuff. It's a little too.
So relaxing.
Counterintuitively really grippy, but it's not sticky. It's not sticky, but it's not slippery. Yeah. It's just a lot of water, hey? You would think it's super slippery, especially with the downhill, but it's not. It's like there's no water running here. It's grippy. That's all it is. It's grippy. They both say wow. Let's go see what we can see when they say wow. Oh wow. Sticky waterfall. There's a person behind us in the water at the back. Don't know if they'll be able to see her. She's over there. Yeah, I think you can see her. She's taking photos of someone, so someone else is with her. I'm protecting myself from butterflies in my mouth.
It was a big thing with my sticky legs on my lips.
Yes, gecko. Yeah. We don't know. We didn't see it, but it was very funny. Nonetheless, it's a lot of stairs. Lots of stairs. Woohoo! Lost my balance. It went bye-bye. They're taking the stairs. I think it's a bit hectic. I'd rather take the waterfall because your feet get wet while you go. And we came down here, so why not go up here?
Let's go here.
You do? have to be careful where you're walking because some of the water is deeper and then you can't see what you're stepping on. And like this looks pretty slippery. Yeah, that's clayey. But most of it, like this, it's not slippery. Even this, it's a little bit if you touch it with your bare fingers. But to walk on it's fine. That way. There's warning, snake. So warning, snakes. What do you think? Double check your footing before you just put your whole weight on it. If you do that, you'll be fine. But please do not climb. I'm sure I've seen people climbing this, but do not climb. If you get injured, it's your own fault. And it's a bit unfair. There's people with little children here. No one wants to see you smash your face open. It's a bit unfair to traumatize other people for your stupidity. There's more than enough fun where you can walk with no warning sign, so rather do that. Quite steep, but easy to do. Tiring because it's still a walk. Just a walk with what's on your feet. Well worth a visit though. Tiring. Gotta go up here now. It's a lot of water, but not slippery. Skipped quite a few stairs, so that's nice. The water's nice and cool. I don't know where they are. Are they? No, that's nothing. I have no clue. I'll check around now. Maybe they already went up. I don't know how fast it goes on stairs. Oh, they're here, waiting for me. Start making friends. So my parents are halfway up. I'm heading up as well now. I'm quite tired. It's still quite a steep climb, whether it's in a waterfall or not. It's still tiring, and it's a hot day. It's cooler than the rest of Thailand, but it's still pretty hot. Anyway, wish me luck. I think I'm gonna go this way around just because they went that way around. Might as well try something different. So we'll see what happens. Woo! You can see how steep this is, right? Pretty steep. I mean, look at the angle of the parents. They're like, meow. Let's go. You could run it if you were brave and a bit stupid. I'm basically in line with them already. It's a bit of a high thing. Just don't have anywhere to put my hand other than on the waterfall. Might be my left hand. Woo! I bounced off my camera and into my face. There we go. Caught up really fast. Woo! Almost lost my glasses. We're very high up. Look how steep it is. if I'm far. My face is so wet. My whole body is a little bit. Oh, yeah. Take the ropes up here, I think. What are you doing?
After that shit, I'm getting it. You cool down, you have to clean water.
You can't, but you can take a break because it is hot. Do not be fooled. Yes, you are walking up a waterfall, but it is still physically exerting. It is still pretty damn steep, and your face will get hot like mine and very red. You will be out of breath, especially if you're not taking it slow. You'll see most of the locals chill. They go slowly. They'll sit like 10-15 minutes and just like enjoy the view, enjoy the water, wear swimming clothes, or at least don't bring too many things that can't get wet. Rather leave that in the car. There was no motorbikes when we stopped, and now we've got tons. You've got no idea. It doesn't stop there, it just carries on. And look at that. They just catch up, you go past them in the traffic, and then they catch up with you at the traffic lights, and they're all in front of you. You don't know